Hey guys, hope you are all doing fine. If you are an intraday trader, then this video is just for you. Doesn't matter you are a beginner or a pro trader. So don't miss any of these trades. And if you ask me what is the best combination, according to me, it's a cup of coffee with Kishore Kumar's old song and an intraday trade. This is the most beautiful combination. So guys, choosing an intraday stocks is not an easy job, So we have to find the best intraday strategy out of it. There's so many equation formulas available in the market, but what will suit for you, you have to find it out. Okay, so don't miss any of my steps, which I am just going to express in front of you. So if you are an intraday trader, first of all you have to choose a right broker. The broker which will give you a pleasant advice in intraday, and the apps you are using for a broker that should not hang out in such a way that you will feel in trouble while exiting or executing a trade. Sometimes broker's action might be a headache for you, so choose a right broker. The platform should be good, the app should be good, and moreover you should not think always about the brokerage. So before choosing a broker, keep everything in mind. It should not hamper your trading anyway. So choosing a broker should not be a difficult job. There are so many brokers available in the market. Some are discounted broker, some are full-time broker. So if you are an intraday trader, you should choose among the full-time broker or the discounted broker. Rather, I would say try for a discount broker. Okay, they will not definitely make some good job for you like advices and others, but if you do analysis by your own, then this discount broker might be some savers for you. Next guys, come to the watch list. Always prepare your watch list earlier before executing a trade. Your watch list should be neat and clear. Okay, find out some bunch of stocks which have some good liquidity and arrange those stocks in your watch list, and you are gonna trade within this watch list only, and this watch list only decide your fate. So choosing should be careful and try to filter out the watch list more often. Among your watch list, if you find some stocks are not performing very well, try to remove them out and add some other stocks instead. Someday if you might not be trading, but you should check your watch list. At least daily have a look to your watch list. Now your watch list is your identification, and your watch list is your weapon to earn the money. Okay, now when your watch list is ready, try to arrange it from top to bottom. Okay, so the top and bottom, what should be the selection? Find some high liquidity stocks and arrange it on the top, and the low liquidity stocks just keep a set on the downside. The next question will come, what is high liquidity stocks? Okay, so high liquidity stocks is what, when you buy some stocks or sell some stocks, that should not affect the price of that stock much. Okay, so in an example, what I would say, if you are buying some share at a particular time, suppose at 12 p.m. you are buying a shares at 100 rupees, and after instant time when you are selling it, exactly that should go in 100 rupees only. Means you are buying at 100 and again at instant time you are selling just after that, just a moment after that, the sale price should be also 100. So not much affecting the price. You are buying and selling a share, that is highly liquid share. Okay, and the low liquidity, just opposite, means you are buying at a certain price and just after that you are selling it, the price should vary that much. So that is the low liquidity. There is no liquidity in the stock, so the price will vary. So hope I am clear here. So your arrangement should be high liquidity stocks in the upper side and the lower liquidity stock in the lower side. Now what is next? Our market is going to open at 9 a.m. So we are all waiting for market to open. Once the market is open, then we'll check at how much the Nifty and the Bank Nifty is opening. Okay, at 9 a.m. Next is what we'll try to find out the trend of the market for the particular day. After opening, clearly within 1 or 2 minutes we can understand the trend of a market in which side is going to be. Okay, once the trend is little bit understandable, next our job will be to find out 3 stocks within our watch list. We'll do 3 pick for the day. Okay, and we will do trading within these 3 stocks for this particular day. We'll not go with the full of watch list. We'll pick 3 at the morning and we'll trade in that 3 particular stocks only for the day. For me, as I am a seller, short seller, so I would prefer to sell a stock rather than buying stocks. Means once the price will go down, I'll make a handsome amount of profit. So what I will choose today, I'll choose top 3 stocks that might be get down today. And the more it will be down, I'll book a huge profit out there. And for the day, I would not even look to the other watch list. I'll only consider these 3 stocks what I had picked for the day. Okay, after the market is closed, I'll just have a look to the other stocks in the watch list. And during the during the market hours, I'll only concentrate on these 3 stocks what I had picked in the morning. So I'm trading on that only. Now the question will come, how will I choose these 3 stocks in my watch list? What should be the parameters to find out these 3 big stocks? Here I will consider last 2 days movement, the yesterday's opening, yesterday's high price, yesterday's low price, the closing, and the most important is today's market scenario is the today's opening. Again I am repeating, I will check last 2 days movement of those 3 particular shares. Okay, the opening, the high price, the yesterday's low price, yesterday's closing, today's opening, and the trend. And that is enough for me to hit down the stocks and earn some good amount of money. Here I'll just take a 2-second pause and smash a heavy hammer on that stock. I'll short sell it with huge quantity and let it go down. I'll book a huge profit over there. In all these market conditions, what is mostly important is yesterday's closing and today's opening. Okay, so those 2 is very crucial. Okay, don't even look all the parameters. Okay, once you are just a quick trader, just consider 2 things: yesterday's closing, today's opening, and the market trend, and now the LTP. Okay, so that will be enough to take a decision on choosing a stocks for buying side or selling side. Now come to the matter of booking a profit. See, for me, my target is not defined always. Okay, I do not follow the risk reward ratio also. Means where I am comfortable to book the profit, I just book the profit. Doesn't matter it's 5 points or 50 points. If I think I should wait for 50 points, I will definitely wait for 50 points. If I am not comfortable on that trade, I will book and exit in 5 points also. You understood? So you have to define your own target. For everyone, they have some different target. For me, the target is different. For you, the target is different. So book your comfortable target book your profit in your comfortable target, and then my target will not match to yours and yours will not match to me, right? And on whatever target you are booking, just be happy with that. Okay, means after you exit on that particular trade, don't even think what we have done a short profit or a huge profit. Doesn't matter. Once you are out, be happy with your book profit. Okay, so that is the mantra for intraday. This is the way when the trade is in our direction. Now what about if trade goes opposite to us? Means the worst case. Okay, means our calculation is not that much perfect. The trade has gone in the other side. So what will do then? Okay, so in that case I will add some more quantity on this particular level, means I will do an average. Okay, means I will do the average on my comfortable zone, not before that. Now looking for the stop loss, listen to it carefully. Your stop loss should be chosen by you only. Your stop loss and my stop loss should be different. Not will always match, right? Like a target. This is my advice to you all guys who are doing intraday. Don't put a stop loss in the early trade. Means once your trade is done, you are in the trade, don't put a stop loss immediately. Okay, take some moment, let the stocks to get settled, let it go anywhere it is going, let it go. On the second attempt, you just put a stop loss, not with the first attempt. Means once you have taken the trade, you just in and don't put a stop loss. What will happen? The swing trade will take in your stop loss, then again you will come back to your price. So in the most cases you have to book a loss. So do not put a stop loss on the first attempt. Now the stop loss should be according to your loss taking appetite. Means how much loss you can digest, just put a stop loss. But again I am telling you, not on the first attempt, put the stop loss in the second attempt, means after 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Next part will be is most important for the intraday. Don't do over trade. Don't do over trade. And the first attempt, in the first trade, most of us might be a beneficiary. Means we all have booked profit in the first attempt, now first trade. But what happened? Again we take entry in the other trade and we have to book a loss. So over trade is a cause of loss taking. If the first trade is in our favor, book the profit and just relax. So try to do only limited trading. Hey traders, most of us, what we think, we'll earn the brokerage in our next trade. Am I wrong? No. Yes, am I right? It's a simple psychology of a trader. What do you think? In our next trade, we'll earn the money what will cover our brokerage. And what happened exactly in that particular trade only, we make a loss. So be happy with whatever money you have booked for the day, the profit you have booked. Be happy with that. Now suppose today the trade I have taken, I am not comfortable. Okay, I have taken the trade, but I am not happy with the movement of the stocks today. It's running profit, but still I am not happy. Or it's running in loss and I want to book some more profit here. So what I will do? I have taken the trade in equity, right? I have sold it. I am a short seller. I have sold it. So I cannot hold it for the next day. I have to anyway exit it at 3:15. So my position in equity, what I will do? I will exit at the current position right there at 3 p.m. and I will take an entry with the same quantity in the future of same stock. Means suppose I have taken a short sell trade in Tata Motors in equity section at right 3 p.m. I will exit that position. I'll just sell the future of same quantity or some more quantity in Tata Motors. So thing is same. The next day I'll get my trade in my favor. Okay. So if you are not comfortable or you are not happy with the price action of today's trade, just try to shift your position from equity to future for today for the same particular share. So shifting from equity to a future is that easy. Just you have to think about it. Quantity should be same or some more or a little bit less. If you know that tomorrow is yours on that trade, then blindly go for it. It's that simple. Now some crucial points here. Once I am done for the day, means I have booked the profit on some particular stock. I am done, I have booked the profit, the amount has come in my account. Then I will not think about that particular stock for the next day or for some coming days. Okay. Once I am done means I am not bothered about the stock movement after that. So if someone is asking you what about that stocks or the trade, just simple give an answer that I'm done already. Okay, I'm not bothered about on which direction that particular series is going. Means one intraday means what? Today we have some, tomorrow we have some different. Okay, so tomorrow I'll not think about the stocks what I have done some 3-4 days back. I have already booked it. What I should think for. So don't care in which direction of your past trade is going. Once you are done, means you are done. So tomorrow think about the new. So that is the mantra of intraday. I hope I am pretty clear to you guys. So do follow. Choose a stocks, add it in your watch list, short sell it or buy it, whatever side you are, and earn some good amount of profit for the intraday. Okay, and my request to all of you guys, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so you can exchange your gratitude for the lifetime and to support me, brothers and sisters. See you, take care, and wait for my next video with some other topics. Thank you, bye bye.